Hello everyone. So today we will actually explore this store. So this store not getting sales. So today I will just improve this website look. So I will go to the product. So look, so their product page is also very bad. So what you can do from here, we just actually we can get more better looks. So this brand actually not getting any sales and they actually almost close their business. So they actually reach out to us. So what I can do, I just copy this product URL. So there is the AI website builder. So we will make it very good website. I will send it to my client. Hey, I have created a website for you. If my client actually like then we will moving forward. Okay, so now guys, as you can see here, like AI actually analyze that. So I will just click continue and then I have to select the English language. Let's select the English language and select the model, and here's the question: how do you want to sell it? So I will ask like let AI to decide. And once that will be done, it will prepare our website with very good layout. I will show you after this is done. Okay, so now guys, we are almost done. So if I actually compare this store, let me bring this store aside. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, it looks pretty basic. Okay, now see if I scroll down, the nothing else over here. Okay, so if I go to the our AI website creation, now look at this website. There is some of the benefit of the product, and then also there's a bundle, good photography. There is a lot of photography done by AI. That's really good. Then also here's the some of the product benefit and feature explanation, and then also here's the product explanation and feature, and same thing in over here. And then also here's the customer reviews, and then also timer so the customer buy this product very well. And here's the FAQ question and also customer review, and then also some of the product benefits. So like this kind of section actually encourages to customer to buy a product. So now look at this, how organized is this, very powerful and premium looks. Okay, so now what I can do, I will, so if you want to create exit this type of website, so you should come to my agency website called creativebibles.com. So guys, after coming to the creativebibles.com, this is my agency where you can create the free website. And then also if you come to WhatsApp message, so you can easily message on WhatsApp for easy response. Okay, so that's pretty much it guys. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.